Hello everyone, welcome to Monaseasternkitchen, and today I'm going to prepare chicken soup. It's a cozy soup served with momos. It's a very delicious and a simple recipe. So let's get started. In a pot I have taken some water and it's already boiling, and now I'm going to add the chicken bones. Here I'm using bones from a whole chicken, but you can use bones from any part of the chicken. Let it boil for around 2 to 3 minutes till all the impurities and scum of the bones start floating on the surface. Now let us check. We can see that the impurities have already started oozing out, so we will turn off the heat and remove the bones. We will discard the water and rinse the bones. By doing this, we will be getting a cleaner and a clearer soup. In a pot, add some carrots roughly diced, 1 small onion cut into 4 pieces, 3 pods of garlic cut into small pieces, and 1 inch of ginger sliced, 2 pieces of coriander stem or 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Add the bones. Add 1 to 1.5 liters of water. Cover it and let it boil for 10 minutes. The soup has already been boiling for a good 10 minutes, and now we'll add salt as per taste. Give it a good mix. And let it simmer for another 20 minutes. It's already been 20 minutes. Let's check the soup. The water has been reduced and the vegetable nutrition and flavors are infused in the soup. So let's turn off the heat. Garnish the soup with some spring onions and serve it hot with momos. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel.